When Amazon introduced the second generation Amazon Echo Smart Assistant, one of the features that was added was an easy way to replace the outer shell to give the Amazon Echo a different look. While the official covers are a little expensive for what they are, replacing the covers on an Amazon Echo does help to make the Smart Assistant blend into its surroundings. So in this video, we're going to take a quick look at how easy it is to swap out the cover on a second generation Amazon Echo. First, we need to remove the power from the Amazon Echo. With the power removed, we now need to turn the Smart Assistant upside down. You will find a recessed area on the base of the Amazon Echo. If we place our thumb on the recess while holding the outer cover of the Amazon Echo, when we push up with our thumb, the speaker part of the Echo slides out of the case. To fit a new cover or fit a case back onto our Amazon Echo, we need to ensure that the power port is facing up. On the cover, make sure that the cutout for the power cable is also facing up. We can now slide the cover over the speaker until it clicks in place. Finally, we can reconnect the power, which will restart the Amazon Echo.